It's Mr. Tass again, Mr. Tass 3D Print Shop. Coming at you with another item I'm going to use in my international travels coming up. Sometimes planes don't always have the media systems involved, or you just want to be able to use your phone. And I wanted a way to put my phone on the plane and have it in front of me without having to hold it or get a little triangle stand or something that way that won't work. So I went looking online and this is what I found. So I want to share it with you and see what you think and if it's something that you're looking for. But this is a universal airplane travel phone holder. It's a generic one. There's a few different styles, some even of this same style. I found this one, it was $10. I bought 2 of them, so I saved an extra 5%. You can see there. But it's got 360 rotation. You can clip it in a lot of different places. And it just looks like it'll be good and interesting and for what I need it to do. Multi-angle, and it does seem stable. We'll get into it here in just a minute. So as you can see, there's all sorts of different styles and options out there. This is the one that I went with. Yeah, you can see 290, 360. You can rotate the phone, all those fun things. So let's see what's in the package here. Take that off. So here it is, and you can see compact storage, fits in your palm, travel clip, and again, just generic type of item, but if it does the job you need. So inside the box, you will get one of these adapters. And so that's it. That's the box. Looks like there's a little card here. Download the Amazon shopping app. Yeah, no. Okay. You can see there, Brian, phone number, if you want to call him for marketing or support. So what do you get in this package? What does it do for you? So it folds out like so. And then you've got this area here. It's got a little thumb push, and you can clip that on. That's where you would clip the hold. Good hold. And then this type here, that's where you connect up your phone. Stretches out, but that also rotates. Different angles there. Rotates this way, and it will also should also rotate this way. Yes. So if you're holding it out, here we go, flip it up, and you can rotate it this way as well. And you can hear it kind of clicking and locking into place. So how would this work if we have a phone? So I'm going to use a lovely little spool here of filament, as you know, 3D Print Shop. And we're just going to test play as if you're looking at this. So turn it this way. Now this is not the most sturdy of options, but it'll do for our needs, I think. So if you have your phone, you would just put your phone in. And yeah, the problem with this is this is very flimsy here, but this is holding on nicely, and I can put it on something more stable later. But if you had your phone, so you can have your phone on, but you can also pull your phone back and you could rotate it different directions. Don't mind all my fingerprints. You can turn it and you can see, I mean, it's holding the phone in there. So you can connect this to a seat, you can connect it to the tray table, you could put this on your luggage. You can see off to the right there, different uses. And then when you're done, you just disconnect it, take your phone out, flip it, fold it, don't launch it, and boom, back in your bag, ready to go. Now you've always got a way to clip and set your phone. So I really think that's going to work well for me. I'd pick 2 up in case my wife wants one. And yeah, you can see it's got, I mean, it can take pretty wide area there to connect in. And again, it stretches. And I've got a Galaxy S21 Ultra with the OtterBox case, so that's about as wide a phone as you get. Fit in there just fine. So till the next video, hope that helps.